What is strategy-based trading and how can it help achieve peak performance? Strategy-based trading is developing strategies that support personality traits and applying those strategies in market states that support your strategy criteria. What is market state and how do we apply it? Market state is the strategy foundation. Market state defines the underlying technical foundation, a reality check to what is the current trading environment. Not what you think or hope it to be, but what it is now. Understanding and owning a market state provides awareness and clarity. Opinions distort your trade vision on what is now and leads to overthinking and trying, which leads to hoping. Fact focus leads to truth and clarity and decisive action. In a fact focus, you start with understanding yourself and how you behave in the market state environment and the momentum tactics you use to make decisions. Know yourself, what you like to do, what you're good at, and create a plan that supports your strengths, and then develop a strategy that supports your plan. The key to success in trading and attaining peak performance is related to the ability to stay consistent and plan-driven. Traders fail not because of their emotions, but because their emotions deflect them from their purpose. In developing their rules and systems, the successful traders have found ways to immunize themselves from the emotional effects of market volatility. Successful traders are every bit as fearful as unsuccessful ones. It's just that the fears of the successful traders are not those of a drawdown or missing a market move. Rather, successful traders fear deviation from their plans. Dedication to purpose is the cornerstone of success. Knowing who you are and what works for you makes it easier to stick to your plan and achieve results. Being aware of the technical trading environment, or market state, is the fundamental basis of the fact focus. Market state analysis is broken into three parts: the market state itself, the price structure of that state, and the strategies that are expected to work best in that market state environment. Own the nuances of the market state. Know the facts. Having this awareness is your edge. The edge is your ability to trade intuitively, without thinking, just doing. When you drive a car, you aren't thinking. You know what to do. Pro athletes perform without thinking because they put in the training and have the muscle memory. They own the action. Market state awareness lays the foundation for intuitive trading and peak performance by providing this knowledge-based expectation. When we trade intuitively, there's no thinking because we know what to do. We know this market state and have experienced its nuances before. This awareness allows us to anticipate, not react to the opportunity. There is no trying, only doing and executing. Market state awareness and intuitive trading, when applied, are the good days, when we know and anticipate what to do and do it. So how do we apply market state awareness? Know yourself and your tendencies so you're able to quickly identify when any bias or hope is clouding your vision and return to seeking out the truth with a fact focus. Sun Tzu quote is, "Victorious warriors go to win first and then go to war, while defeated warriors go to war first and then seek to win." Know the facts first about yourself and the market state. Having market state awareness when making a tactical trade decision is the difference between maybe and probably. You know what is most likely to happen and can anticipate that it will. This is a powerful foundation. The generally accepted market state types can be broken into trending, non-trending, pivotal, and extreme trading environments. Market state is the technical environment for the trade period. It is the playing field that the drama of the day is going to play out on. Owning the state and knowing the nuances is market state awareness. This provides an expectation, so tactics can be aligned to the market state. Market structure focus is the difference between thinking and knowing. If you find yourself thinking about making a trade, you're probably wrong. Thinking leads to hoping and curve fitting your tactic signals to support your opinion. When the focus is on the market state, you know what to do, and by understanding the structure of the state, you know where to do it. If the market state and structure are not in alignment, there's no thinking about taking a tactic signal, as you know it should not be taken. Trading is not about thinking and trying. It's about knowing and doing. The definition of market structure is the technical alignment of the market state. Market structure is not support and resistance levels. Market structure is the price framework that defines the market state. Many traders feel identifying support and resistance equates to identifying market structure. It does not. The problem with defining intraday support and resistance levels as a tactic is, what do you do when the market gets there? Should you fade momentum into it or trade a breakout through it? What is the basis or strategy behind the decision? The answer is in the market state and structure alignment. Market structure is the price framework of the market state. For example, a bull trend is defined as a market that's making higher move highs and higher move lows. The key structure points are the high peak price, which must be violated to confirm a new leg higher, and the lower trough, which defines the support base of the positive higher move lows structure. As long as this structure holds, the bull trend market state remains in force, and the expectation is for the market to behave as any positively trending market should. Price structure provides us with definition, so we know what to do. We don't need to think, should I buy in the middle, as we know that we should execute at the market structure alignment. A money day is when the market performs to expectation and holds structure. A transition day is when the market breaks structure and moves to a different market state. With good market state awareness, you know what the market should do. When you anticipate what is most likely to happen and the market complies and plays out, it pays out. Those are the money or optimal days. As long as the structure is holding and is in line with the market state, we should anticipate that the market will perform to expectation and provide confidence in executing tactics that are in alignment with that expectation. If the market is breaking structure, then we should not hope that the market will perform to expectation, but recognize that this is not a money day, but one that is in transition and should change our tactic. By changing our expectation to a hedge theme, we avoid the frustration that nothing is working. Understanding market state and its supporting structure provides a clearer focus and a more enjoyable trading experience by knowing when there is a good trading opportunity or not, when it's a money day, and when it's a transitional or hedge day. This brings us to the final component of market state awareness, which is to identify the strategy themes and supporting tactics that will perform best in the defined market state. Understanding and really knowing the proper strategy and where tactics should be applied supports a trader's own intuitive action, removing any trying and supporting only doing or not doing. Identifying the optimal strategies of the market state is identifying opportunity. Opportunity equals leverage. To succeed, you need to leverage opportunities. When you get your cards, you have to double down. Every market state has its own unique signature and its expected behavior. By identifying these strategy themes, we can optimize our trading tactics to capture them. When simplified, there are basically three general entry tactics off a defined price point. We can either fade momentum into a level, trade with momentum in a breakout through a level, or execute a reversal or false breakout entry tactic technique. Identifying the optimal strategy for the market state highlights the best areas to put capital at risk. So in this example, in a bull trend, the best strategy is to fade momentum at the lower trough structure, or trade with momentum on a breakout above the current peak. These are the leverage opportunities for this market state. Market state provides awareness. The structure shows alignment. The strategy themes allow us to optimize our tactics for what the opportunity is. The final component of the fact focus is your momentum tactics. Market awareness is the strategy foundation of what, where, and how. Your momentum tactics are when. No matter what your method, is where within the market state and structure that the signal is generated that defines the value of the signal. Is the signal in line with the market state? Is it happening at structure alignment? And what is the strategy theme that is currently dominating price action? This awareness and clarity provides structure and confidence in executing your momentum tactics. Peak performance comes with a heightened state of market awareness by combining your personal strengths into the strategy-tactic dynamic that is your trading method. JS Services provides trading tools and trader development programs to assist you in attaining peak performance. I welcome you to sign up for a complimentary trial of our market state application and take our personality profile assessment to see how JS Services can make a positive impact on your bottom line. Feel free to email me directly at info@jsservices.com with any questions. I look forward to working with you.